going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions, and in the next couple of minutes I'm going to show you my breakdown on how I'm going to turn $30,000, at least my goal, for $20,000 profit this month when it comes down to investing in the stock market. For those that are not familiar with who it is that I am, my name is Ricky. I run the largest YouTube channel and the largest private Facebook group for those who invest in the stock market. Last month, I had one of my most successful months ever. In 1 week, just to put into example, I was able to make over $13,000 profit. In 1 day alone, I was able to make over $6,000 profit solely trading 2 series of ETFs. I'm already ahead of schedule. I'm gonna break down this entire thing and just show you kind of like how I wanna prepare my entire month. I hope that this can not only motivate you, but also act as a catalyst for you to plan and prepare for your month and make sure that you stay on track. So I just wanna remind you that, again, this is a goal. This is something that I wanna work towards, but I'm not gonna let it kind of like motivate me to overtrade or anything like that. So I really hope within the next couple of minutes that you guys enjoy this video. So let's go ahead and get started. So my overall account size on my TD Ameritrade account, again, I just paid myself. So tomorrow you guys should be seeing the video of me paying myself and how to withdraw money out of your TD Ameritrade account back to your bank account if you want to pay yourself on a monthly basis like myself. But altogether, again, my account value is starting at $30,000 for the month of December. My overall goal is $20,000 profit. So what does that mean? That's 66.7%, which is like my overall goal. Again, that's super aggressive. I've never had such an aggressive goal coming into a month. But last month, because of natural gas and how it's been performing, I think really set the tone. I want to make sure that we end the year on a green note, and I want to just try my best to kind of like put myself to the test. So this is the breakdown. Okay, all right, $30,000. My goal is $20,000. I know the percentage growth goal that I have to aim for. I know the dollar goal that I have to aim for. This is how I'm breaking it down on a weekly basis. As we're just getting started, I want to make sure that I don't like overexert myself or really pressure myself to overtrade to try to hit this weekly and monthly goal. The whole point of this is to stay on track, to have a goal, to have something to work towards, but that doesn't pressure you to break any of your rules. So the first week, my goal is $4,000. That's about 13.34% based on my overall account growth. And as you see how it breaks down from week 2 to 5,000, week 3 and week 4 at 5,500 each, making it at 18.34% for the last 2 weeks. And week 2 is 16.7%. I really think that if I give myself, an aggressive goal, which is 13.34 the first week, kind of get the tone all set up, right? Already, it's Tuesday, so tomorrow the market's closed in observance to George W. Bush, for those that are not familiar with that. So no trading tomorrow, but the day that follows, Thursday and Friday, I have 2 more trading days this week already. For those that haven't already kept up to date with my profit, feel free to check it out. I'm up a little bit over $1,400 already today, and I made a little bit over $2,000 yesterday. So I'm already up $3,534. So overall on my account value, that's 11.8%. So in 2 days, I need to cover another 2 to 3% to get to my first weekly goal. So I feel like I'm already ahead of schedule, even though I'm missing out on 1 day. Also be aware that there's certain holidays that we're going to go through this month of December, and that's something that you have to take into consideration. Again, the whole point of this breakdown is to put into consideration what I want to aim for. I'm not going to let my weekly goal be something that's going to exhaust me or pressure me to overtrade. One of the biggest mistakes that you can make. One of the things that I want to make sure that you guys take into consideration is how important it is to set a realistic goal. Again, I normally aim for 10 to 15% growth on a weekly basis, and that's still aggressive enough within itself. Now I'm aiming for a total of 66.7% this entire month. The most aggressive goal that I've ever set for myself. Last month, I had an absolute amazing month. This month, I want to put it to the test just to have a higher goal, because I plan on mainly trading the same series of ETFs. The first 2 days of this week, I've been doing very well with them. But I want to make sure that, again, I don't pressure myself. If I end up making the $2,500 to $3,000 that I normally make on a weekly basis and end the month at $10,000 to $12,000, then guess what? I'm still going to be extremely content with what it is that I'm doing. And that's what we need to focus on. Making sure that we understand the growth that we plan for ourselves, making sure that it's something that's realistic, and simply make sure that we're consistent in the idea of implementing the same best practices that are assisting us and being a part of our success. So again, my account is not under the PDT rule. I have over $25,000, so I don't have to worry about the pattern day trading rule. If you're gonna ask what that is, feel free to Google it. There's a bunch of videos on YouTube as well that I hope that can guide you in the right direction. So again, recapping account size value, initially starting at $30,000. Goal, $20,000 profit for the month. That correlates on over to 66.7% growth on the month, my biggest and most aggressive goal ever. Again, this is going to put me to the test on week 1, 13.34% is my growth goal. The dollar goal is $4,000. Week 2, $5,000, that's 16.7%. Week 3 and 4 are both $5,500, 18.34%. This is where I'm currently at. I'm at 11.8% growth on my current account. Really looking forward to this overall, month, seeing how, I can implement and really try to put myself to the test. I really hope that, again, it's something that can motivate you, that can at least spark some interest to maybe be a little bit more organized with your specific trading approach. And if you have any questions or any goals that you want to share in the comment section, feel free to do so, and what actions you're going to take to actually get there. I hope that you guys all ended last month on a green note. Again, it was my most successful month ever. Tomorrow's video is going to be showing you how to withdraw money from your TD Ameritrade account and how to pay yourself on a monthly basis just like I do. So I hope that's something that you guys look forward to. And on top of that, again, if you would like to work with me on a closer basis, I would encourage you just dedicate 1 minute. Click that first link down in the description. Learn a little bit more on how we can stay connected, how you can watch me trade live every single day and put this to the test. And again, if you want to join our free Facebook group, then again, be sure to click that 4th link down in the description. We run the largest Facebook group out there for those who invest in the stock market. We have a little bit over 174,000 members. We'd love to at least stay connected and be a part of your success. Again, I hope I earned your thumbs up in this video. If you guys haven't subscribed already, be sure to check it out. We have over 1,000 videos. Feel free to check out our helpful video playlist to learn a little bit more on how to get started. Wish you guys an amazing December. Let's lock in those profits and let's stay green. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.